Hi, today's tutorial is on how to search for books, articles, and other resources on the Health Sciences Library's website using filters. Firstly, go to the UW Health Sciences Library page. The best strategy for searching will often be to enter your keywords into the search box and then refine your search results by using the filters on the left-hand side of the page. Let's enter a keyword search into the search box. In the left-hand column, you can see all your filter options. Filters include resource type, publication date, language, and more. Don't forget to expand the relevant filter sections by clicking on Show More to see all your options. Let's select a few filter options. And then click Apply Filters to update your search results. You should see your active filters listed to the top left of the search results. Add more filters to continue narrowing your search and click the X button on the filter to remove the filter. Your filters should now appear under the active filters at the top of the filter list. Hover on the filters you'd like to make persistent and click on the lock icon or select the Remember All Filters button. Once a filter is logged, it will be applied to all of your searches until you remove the filter by doing one of the following: clicking on the Reset Filters button, clicking on a menu item on the Search or Advanced Search, or closing the search window or logging out of your session.